Hello and good morning, folks. Today is a crazy morning. I woke up and I logged in to see that all my armies are gone, and somebody on the YouTube channel was saying all his armies were gone as well, and I'm just trying to bring some clarity to light for this whole situation, so if you guys are in the same boat, I guess it's normal that we're missing our armies right now. This is a migration. We have to migrate to version 2.1, so that's what's happening right here. I don't have anything, and it's also not letting me migrate.
Here's what they're saying. When you come up here, this guy says approve the contract. Go to your armies section. You won't see your armies. That's normal. Press the approve button and accept the transaction. So this is what I did. Right here, there was a button that said approve. I guess when you stick one in there, it'll say approve right here. And then your MetaMask will pop up right up here. Approve the transaction. That actually happened, and it was about this price. He's right so far. Once it went through, good job. You've approved the contract, but it's not over yet. Now, I think I'm on part 2 because mine went through. This went through. I came down here, and in the migrate part, the hard refresh, CTRL, Command Shift R, and that actually did bring up a sliding bar for me. Now this is weird that you have to press all these keys at the same time, but basically I started with the control button in my hand, and then I had the command button. I hit the command button with the C at the same time. I don't know if I had to press the C, but when you come over here to Google, it says C and command, and it would be your Windows key. So whatever key looks like a window or a start key is the key that they're talking about over here to do this. And Shift and then R. And so I did all this, and I did refresh, and they did give me a bar, and I did swipe bar all the way over for my armies to select migrate, and push it all the way to the right. See, that's what I did right there. I did all this, and I also approved this transaction. It all worked out perfectly. Like, I approved it. You'd see it over here in my activity. I approved too. I approved it and I approved it. But I refreshed and I refreshed, and I still don't have any of my armies. Thankfully, I did not put my rewards in. All my rewards, I've been taking my rewards every day and holding on to them for when the price goes up. Thankfully, I'm not locked in here with all of this. So let's refresh and let's see if they did it again. Honestly, I don't think they're gonna do it. I think I have to actually come in here, migrate 11 armies, $7 fee. So we're going to go ahead and try to process this $7 migration. And there it is, contract interaction. So you guys saw it just took me $7 to do this. Contract interaction with SoldierNodes. Alright. So $7. That is insane, guys. Can't believe this. All because they wanted to switch. Okay, what should I do now? Should I refresh the page? And there they are. There's my armies. And look and this one's ready for collection. Wow, pending reward. There's the pending reward on this bad boy. Dude, the pending reward, my golly. Alright, so what is that? That's 0.76 of a coin. Alright, I see what's happening here. I see what's happening. But this is cool. We're here. V1 node. I somehow got a V1 node in here. That is crazy, man. Oh boy. But I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I got my nodes back by going through and doing the migration, and I also purchased one off of NFT trade, and there's plenty for sale on here. I'll show you guys right now. Plenty for sale. Look at 0.4. They're all for sale for 0.4 avax. So you guys can come on here and grab yourselves a bunch of these nodes.
I would not go on and buy them. And I know this is bad for the coin price, but I wouldn't buy them at coin price now, because when you look at coin price here, this is what they want to charge you for an army. So they want to charge you $76 for an army. I probably just paid $45 for my army that I just got. And in that army, as you guys were able to see, has a pending reward of this much already. You know, a 2-day reward, roughly. You know, I guess this is our daily reward now, which is pretty steamy and disgusting, but whatever, right, guys? You know, we're in it, so let's just make the most of this and have fun with it. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.